Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. And here mobile application UI design templates for Adobe XD and other software. But these are protected first you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime access of my old file. Okay. Here tracking mobile app UI design, and here fitness, health, e-commerce, trading, forex, tour, travel and restaurant, sport, e-commerce, social, communication, dating app. Okay. And here fitness, online classes, online banking, hotel booking, hotel search, ice cream, intro, event book. Okay. Investment, mobile UI. Okay. And classic shop. That's mean here many UI design. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, take care, Allah Hafiz.